Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to make money from Amazon's influencer program. Are you looking for a new way to monetize your social media skills? The Amazon influencer program may be a great option for you. Using your influence, you can get paid to promote products you think your audience will love, all without investing in inventory, creating product listings, or incurring upfront costs. The influencer program is an extension of Amazon's associate program, whereby anyone with a qualifying website can promote products and earn commissions on sales they bring to Amazon. Depending on the type of product you promote, you can earn anywhere from 1 to 10% of each sale. Though the difference between these two programs is that the influencers must meet certain requirements set by Amazon and be approved into the program. On Amazon Influencer Program, as you can see, you will build your storefront, customize your page, just like you would do with drop shipping. Then you will have to create content and recommend products. Then, of course, you will earn those commissions. Amazon will give you the tools you need to select the best Amazon's products and services so that you can easily recommend them to your followers and earn commissions on qualifying purchases. You can also publish your live streams, shoppable photos, and videos. To join the program, influencers must have a large media following and a high engagement rate. Once accepted, they can create their own storefront on Amazon with their curated product recommendations. When reviewing your application, they will look at the number of followers you have in addition to other engagement metrics. How can you monetize your content? There are multiple ways you can earn. Step 1. Share your links with your audience. Give your followers an easy way to shop your favorites and earn commissions when they shop. Step 2. Build your influencer storefront. Create your own virtual store on Amazon, a one-stop shop for your followers to browse your favorite Amazon products. Every time one of your followers buys something you share, you earn. Step 3. Entertain and engage with live streams. Inspire your audience with instantly shoppable live video. Step 4. Get more from your video content. Influencers upload your product review videos to Amazon and earn commissions when your followers purchase items. Step 5. Promote more than just products. Every time a follower signs up for an eligible trial or Amazon subscription service that you promote, you get paid. Step 6. Partner with brands for extra commission. Join Creator Connections, a new free-to-join program for influencers and associates to unlock bonus commissions. Step 7. Influencers amplify your content. Amazon's Creator Ads program helps influencers grow your community and revenue by promoting your content across social media. Step 8. Create your own merchandise. With on-demand printing, you can design and sell your own branded products on Amazon with no upfront cost. Step 9. Sell internationally. Promote and sell your products to a global audience with Amazon's One Link tool. Do you have a large following on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube? Then what are you waiting for? Apply for the Amazon Influencer Program and start getting paid for product recommendations your followers will love. When it comes to monetizing your social media skills, joining this program is a no-brainer. Are you an Amazon influencer? Let us know about your experience in the comments below. Make cold emails easy. Run perfectly designed, killer cold email campaign that turn leads into buyers fast. The only legit way to do cold email marketing. Anti-spam marketing system, custom customer journeys, reach cold leads with confidence. PursueApp makes it easy to run successful cold email campaigns for any business. Online SaaS works in any location and any device. Supports multiple campaigns. You can market multiple products or businesses. Create custom emails to be sent on event triggers like open, clicks, etc. Free one ready-made email sequence to help you get started. Easy to use and newbie friendly. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get PursueApp now. Just go to getpursueapp.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.